See these small tiny pills, they are wonderful. They have wonderful results for weight loss. What you have to do is take out one pill. One packet has 30 pills. You just have to take the pill and put it in your navel. If you are fat enough, it will go on like this. If not, you can put a sticker or a tape on it. Just leave this pill in your belly button like this overnight. In the morning, you have to take it out and clean your belly button, and repeat this process over and over every night till you get your desired weight. It is as simple as that. And it is not that you have put the pill in your belly button so you will lose only the fat from your belly. Actually, belly button or navel has a whole network of blood vessels, lymphatic vessels and nerve endings all around it. And once you put it in your navel, the active ingredients will be absorbed and they will be distributed all around your body, and you will be losing fat from all around your body. And the best part is all the ingredients of this pill are herbal. Like, there are no drugs, no chemicals. You can safely put it in your navel and let it absorb. No fear of side effects, no fear of harmful chemicals. I personally think this is one of the best things that you can do for your weight loss. Basically, what happens is you feel less hungry. It decreases the appetite. So this pill is wonderful for people who say we cannot lose weight because we cannot do any kind of dieting. Once we leave food, we go crazy. The food cravings are too much to bear when we are on a diet. So this pill is your simple and fast solution. The only thing is, when you eat, you have to eat healthy. You should get all your nutrients and all your calories, because it is sort of restricting you from eating. So this restriction from eating should not land you into some sort of deficiency in your body that might make you unhealthy or unwell. But having said that, hands down, this is the best way to lose weight. You just put a pill in your belly button and you basically lose all your cravings. I'm a doctor and I've used this pill on many of my patients, and they not only reduce their waist size, they also lose fat from their arms and legs. Like, you can see visible difference from the whole body. So whether you are doing a coffee fast or a water only fast, or maybe keto diet or intermittent fasting or a vegetarian diet, any type of dieting method or weight loss method you are using, this pill will help you, because it basically kills off all your hunger and your appetite and your craving. Because whatever the dietary plan you follow, the basis is calorie restriction, isn't it? Just make sure that in your eating window, take all the calories that your body needs according to your height and weight, and all the nutrients that your body needs if you are sick or unhealthy. And in that case, you must be eating foods that are specifically designed for your disease. So to get wonderful results from your diet and exercise, do start using this pill. It will do wonders for you. Till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.